Hello everyone, in the previous video I discussed the first part of lowest rate.canadian website where you can buy the lowest car insurance in Canada. Now I am going to see how our customers in Ontario save big and auto insurance. Customer location, vehicles, lowest rate, average rate and save. Quote from October 17, 2020, male, 23 years old, Windsor, vehicle model is 2012 Mazda 3 GT 4-tier, lowest rate is 299, myth, average rate is 432 and he saved 133. Different types of auto insurance in Ontario. Mandatory car insurance coverage. Ontario no-fault insurance system requires that drivers carry at least 2 million in third-party liability insurance for their vehicles. Without their minimum amount of liability coverage, driver can register their automobiles. A basic insurance policies in Ontario also include coverage for medical service and damage to your vehicle. Each is described below. Accident benefit in Ontario. These are the medical benefits that come with a standard auto insurance policy. Up to 3,500 per person for injuries that are deemed minor, up to 65,000 per person for combined medical and attached care for serious but no catastrophic insurance for up to 5 years, up to 1 million for combined medical and attendant care for catastrophic injuries, direct compensation property damage coverage (DCPD). Ontario drivers are also required to buy direct compensation property damage (DCPD) covers your vehicle damage in another driver is found at fault for the accident. Even if someone else's damage occurs, you collect benefit from your own insurance. Uninsured vehicle insurance. The coverage protects you and your family from losses related to a collision with an unused vehicle or a hit-and-run driver. If you are injured or killed, you and your family can be compensated. You also be protected against damage to your vehicle caused by an uninsurance car. You can add coverage to your base policy if you believe you will need it. There are 4 types of optical coverage and coverage amount you can purchase. Here's what each one protect agents. So the next be optional. So the next option car insurance coverage I will discuss in part 3. So see you in the next video.